Hi friends, welcome to Tutusfunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the bus booking system using Java and MySQL. Let us show the demo first. Here this is the demo. This is the main part of the bus booking system. Here you can add the bus sheets, right? Click add button. Here there will be two buses are there. This is the bus number. Now first I am going to select this one. Here this date, right? Date 7, today date. Click on this today date. I am going to add the sheets, right? The two bus consist of each bus consists of 28 sheets, right? So here click OK. Sheets added, right? Click OK. Now you will be able to see the sheets, right? Sheets. If you click here, this is the today date, right? Here 28 sheet added successful, right? Perfect. Now let's go to the system. 28 sheets added. Now let's cancel it. Back to main part. This is the main part. After that, go to the book, right? Now here you will be able to see the date, today date. Click on this today date. Click show all sheets unbooked, right? If you want to book the sheet, click on the sheet. This is the sheet first number. Click here. Sheet number, all the sheet. Here you will be able to enter the customer name. I am going to add John. Mobile number you must add it. Mobile number I am going to add some dummy text here. Click booked. Bus booked. Bus booking, right? You can see here booked. John is a customer name, mobile like this, right? If you click again here, ticket booking booked. It's booked. It's not, you can't do anything else. Here if you click second one, this is sheet number 2. This is sheet number 2, right? You will be able to add the sheets right here. Okay, you will be able to add it here, right? Okay, you will be able to add the sheets here, right? If you want to book the 8 date, there will be no sheets show. You will be able to add the sheets, right? So now we will cancel it. You go here, number 8. Click add. Tomorrow time sheet added. Now you will be able to see here. Go here. If you see here, date, tomorrow date here, all sheets are unbooked, right? Very simple system. I will be teach how to do step by step, right? Let's close it. Right. Now I am going to do the system step by step. First what I am going to do is here, I already opened the NetBeans ID. After that, open the NetBeans ID, go to the file, new project, select Java application, click next. If it is check create main class, you have to uncheck it. Here you have to give the project name. I am going to give as bus booking, right? Finish. This is the project name of our project name, right? Bus booking, right? Okay, this is the project name. The project consists of two major folders, source package and libraries. First select the source packages. Select default package. I am going to this project, all the projectors I am close it. This is a new project, right? Now select this default package, new Java package, bus booking. Right. Click finish. Now here select this one, right click, new Java frame form. Here we have to give the class name as bus booking, bus book, right? Click finish. Right. Now what I am going to do is here first I am going to create the main panel. So here I have to adjust the screen like this. After that what I am going to do is I am going to drag one panel here. Right. Select this panel, right click, properties, background color I am going to change it as this color. Click OK. Right. After that what I am going to do is select simple, you have to add the label here. This one simple label, you have to add this one as a edit text. We have to add bus booking main, bus booking main. This is a main panel, right? Very simple. Now I am going to increase the letter size. Right click, properties, font I am going to increase as with bold, 18. Perfect. 18. Now you have to, let's add as 20. Okay, perfect. You have to align it at the center. select this again, right click, properties, font foreground yellow, right, perfect. After that what I am going to do is I am going to drag two buttons, first button, second button, simply add two buttons. Right, this is the main panel, right. Okay. Now if you want to add okay. Now here this one, right click, edit text, this one should be the sheet tag. I am going to add sheet tag. This one should be bus book. Right. Select these two buttons, or down the control key down, select two buttons, right click, properties, font property with bold, select as 12 with bold, click OK. Now perfect. This is the simple, right? Now let's select the form, right click, properties, code, generate center, close, right? Now let's run the project and check. Here it's running at the center successfully. So there will be two buttons, it's successfully right. Now what I am going to do is first I am going to create the sheet added form, right? So what I am going to do is here, this is your project, select the package bus booking, select this one, right click, new JFrame form, this one should be the sheet. I am going to give this class name as sheet, finish, right. After that what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the palette, drag one panel, I am going to add the layer, this one, ID. So this heading should be, I am going to add as right, select, right click, background color, change it as this color, label, sheet tag, right, right click, properties, foreground property with bold with 18, click OK. At the same time foreground color I am going to change it as yellow, click OK. Perfect, right, right. You take the time and increase the size and all, okay, right. Now what I am going to do is, after that I am going to drag one panel here, this one should be, select the panel, right click, properties, border, property, soft bevel border, click OK, right. Drag the labels, bus number and date. This is a bus number, date. Here I drag the bus number, I drag the this one, combo box, after that drag one date chooser, select these two labels, right, or down the control key down and right click, properties with bold 12. Okay. After that we have to drag one button at this one, add, select this one, right click, properties, bold with 14, you have to increase the size little bit. Right, simple design of this one, you will be able to select this one, right. Now let's select this form, right click, properties, code, generate center, close it, right. Now let's go to the busbook.java, let's make a link, right. Select this button, right click, event, action perform. Here I am going to make the link here as sheet is mean the object I am going to create, new sheet After that, what I'm going to do, you have to write is object dot set visible true. That's it. That's the thing you have to do, right? Now let's check. Right, it's working. It's working perfectly. Now I need a cancel button as well here. Now what I'm going to here, this one should be the add button. So the same button, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You have to get another copy. This one, right. This right here. This one, right. Now here this one should be. We have to name it as cancel. Select this one. We have to get another button. Very simple. This one should be cancel. Select this one, properties. This one should be bold, 40. Right, it's easy stuff to do. Now here this one we have to right click, event, action perform. We have to cancel it. You have to easily write like this. This current form set visible false mean the form has been closed. When you click the cancel button, right? Set visible false mean this form should be closed. Set visible true mean the form should be shown, right? That is the difference, right? Now let's show the demo. If it is cancelled, it's cancelled, right? It's perfect. Right. Okay. If you want to reduce the size of this one, simple. Right. Okay. Perfect. Right, now what I'm going to do is here, after that we have to add the codes, right? First what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to go to the browser, I'm going to create the database first, right? I'm going to create the database first, right? So first what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to the browser, I'm going to type localhost, right? I have already installed the SAM server and I have installed that, installed and I have connected. Right, connected. If you go to the browser and type localhost, you will be able to see the dashboard like this. Exam server dashboard. Click phpMyAdmin. Here I'll be able to create the database here. So here, click new. This one should be new option. Here is the way you will be able to see create the database. I'm going to create as booking. Otherwise, you can use some bus name. I'm going to use super speed. This is the bus name I'm going to use, speed. Super speed, right. Great. Right. Now here I'm going to first table I'm going to create as sheet. This is a sheet table. Here I'm going to change the columns as 5. Click go. Right. Here first what I'm going to do is this one should be the ID, length 11. Try with primary auto increment, right? You have to enable the option as auto increment. Our second one should be bus number. This you have to select as int 11th. After that, third one should be sheets. This one should be integer 11th. After that, date you have to change it as a varchar characters. After that, status. This one should be the must status. This one should be status, right? Swatch. Book or unbooked, right? This one should be right. Click save. Right. After that, we have to add another table. That's a bus book table, right? So let's go to select the database. I'm going to create another table, right? 6 columns we required. So this one should be bus book. First one should be ID, bus book ID, 11th with primary auto increment. Right. Second one should be bus number. This one should be 11. Third one should be sheet, the same sheet, right. Third one should be customer, voucher. After that mobile, after that date also voucher 255 characters, right. That's it. These are the columns we required for the bus booking table, right. Now let's save it, right. Now we created the two tables successfully. This is the name of the database, super speed. This is the bus name. I am going to give super speed. Bus consists of two tables, right, bus book table and sheet table. Here is where you will be able to add the bus ticker sheets, right. Okay. Now let's go to the another stuff is I am going to go to the Google. I am going to download the MySQL connector, okay, in order to connect Java and MySQL. So how to download this one is you have to go to the Google, just type is MySQL connector for Java. You type like this, alright. This is the first website which you can download the MySQL connector. Click on this one. It goes to the different website for download. Here you no need to do this one. Second one, the platform independent, architecture independent, zip, right, this one, okay. MySQL connector zip, this one we want to download. So click download button at the right side, right. Here you no need to log in or sign up. You just click on the below link, no thanks, just start my download. If you click on this link, your download has been started at the taskbar here. This time I am not going to download this one because I've already downloaded, right. You must download this one, right. Right click, I have cancelled this one. I have downloaded and put into my F drive this one, right. You can see here, this is after download. You will be able to see this, the file look like this. It's come as a zip file. After abstracted, you will be able to see the normal folder look like this. This is these two files we need to import into my NetBeans library in order to access MySQL and Java, right. Let's go to the NetBeans. Here, this is your project name, bus booking. Your project folder consists of the folder here, libraries. Select the library folder. Select this one. We have to add the jar files, right. So select this one, right click, add jar folder. You have to browse the location where you download and put into the MySQL connector files, right. I have put into my F drive. You have to search them, MySQL connector, this one, right. Open the folder, open it. These two files we require, right. Hold on the control key down and select both, open, right. Here it's open successfully, right. Successfully it's open. These two jar files successfully open. Now you will be able to add the codes now, right. Now what I am going to do is here, this is the first one. Go to the source. This is the class name. This is the constructor of the class. After the constructor, we have to write the connection properties, right. First we have to write connection con. We have to create the object as con. It asks to create the namespace. You have to select second one, import for Java SQL connection, right. It's added automatically above, right. Second one, I am going to add the prepared statement. You have to write prepared statement, PST, right. You have to add it the namespace, right. It's added above. After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to write the connection property. You have to write the connection method, right. So you have to write simply, you have to connect it, right. You have to write public void connect. You have to write the connection method here, right. Here we have to write the connection, right. Now here we have to write first, you have to register the MySQL drive. So class for name, this is how you have to register, right. Com dot MySQL dot JDBC dot driver, right? Here we have to add the try catch. After that, we have to add here con equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write the URL, right? Your database reside on where? In localhost, right? You have to write like this here, jdbc colon MySQL colon, you have to write localhost. After that, you have to write here localhost. You have to write here is what is the database name. You have to specify the database name here. Super speed, right? You have to write here super speed. Here we have to write root is a username, blank comma blank is a password, right? That's the thing you have to write. Here we have to import the catch, right? This is how you have to write the connection, right? Very simple. After that, what I am going is connection method, control C copy. When the form is initialized, you have to call it here. This connection should be initialized, right? Now you have successfully connected the connection here, right? This is the database. Your database is in localhost, reside on localhost, right? Perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to write another thing is you have to add the data into the database, right? So select this button, right click, event, action perform. Here we have to write here is, first you have to write here, first you have to write this one, right? Bus number. So bus number out right here is, right. Now here what I am going to select this one. I am going to go to the properties, model. I am going to change this one as a bus number. I am going to write here is, we have to write here as like this. These are bus numbers, right? I just write like this. Okay, perfect. After that, what I am going to do is we have to change this one. You have to change the variable. You have to give the name as txt bus. This one we have to change it as txt date, right? Okay, right. Now let's add the data into the database. So click on the add button, right click, event, action perform. Here we have to write here is, first we have to equal the variables, right? The text box value we have to equal the variable. So first what I am going to txt bus dot get selected item, bus dot get selected item dot toString, right? Here we have to write string bus, right, like this. Okay, bus number, right? Bean bus number, right like this. After that we have to write simple date format. You have to write date format. You have to write date format equal new, this one, Control C copy, Control V, this format. We have to write the date format here, year, month, date, right? Here we have to implement the namespace, right? After that you have to write here string date equal this date format, Control C copy, Control V to paste here, dot format. Here we have to write txt date dot get date. Right. After that you have to write for int I equal 1, I less than or equal 28, I plus plus. You have to write here is int I, int sheet, this one you have to write int sheets equal I. After that you have to write string status equal unbooked. Right. After that you have to write here. After that what I am going to do is here you have to get the prepare statement object below. This object below here, this object prepare statement equal, you have to write here, you have to write here you have to write con dot prepare statement. Right. Here we have to write insert into which table I am going to add the record here is sheet table, right here, this one. So right here sheet table, this is a table, right, this is a column you have to specify here. First one should be a sheet table, sheet table, you have to specify the column name here, right, it's no need at this one, right, sheet table, insert it to sheet, you have to write the specify the column names here, right. First one should be we have to get the screen look like this, simply we have to add it here. First one should be sheet bus number comma sheets comma date comma status, this one should be the must, right. After that values, you have to write here values, you have to write question mark 1 2 3 4 question mark, you have to write 1 2 3 4 question mark, right, you have to write here, you have to surround it with the try catch, right. After that what I am going to do is here you have to write here is pst set string first one, this one should be the bus number, this one control C copy control V to paste here. Second one control C copy control V to paste here. Second one should be sheets, second one should be the sheets, so you have how many sheets, this one, right, control C copy this control V to paste here. Okay, here 28 mean there will be the 28 sheets available, so that we have to loop it, right. So its starting position should be 1, starting sheet should be 1, it's until the loop should be work at 28 sheets, right, it's work, the data should be added 28, right, sheets, right. So once you click insert button, right, set tint, right, second one should be the I, third one should be second one should be the this I, right, I you have to assign to the sheets, this one control C copy control V to paste here, this I you have to assign to the sheets, right. Okay. After that what I am going to do is third one should be the date, so same thing control C to copy this one control V to paste here, third one should be the sheets date this date control C copy control V to paste here, same thing control C copy control V to paste here. Third one fourth one should be the status, fourth one should be our status, this one should be the status, we have to write like this, here we have to write this one status, this one control C copy control V to paste here. At the first time status should be unbooked, ticket is unbooked, right. So after that we have to write the pst dot set string, you have to write here is right, that there is only that string available, right, pst dot execute update, you have to call it, record is added into the database, right, this is the thing you have to write. After that finally loop should be entered here, for loop should be start at position here, close it here. After that you have to write j option pan dot show message, this here we have to write sheet error, right. That's it. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Click on this one, select the bus number. This is a bus number. You have to go in. I'm going to add the sheets. Click add button. Right, sheet added. Right. If you check this one here, its sheet is here. So all the stuff. This is a date. Status should be unbooked. A sheet number. Starting position 1. It's 28. Here you can check here. It's number of 20. It's until the 25 available. This put 50 here. 28. Right. Records. Perfect. Right. We have to load this one into book table. Right. That's a perfect one. Right. Now let's close it. Perfect. Right. Right. After that, we have to design the form as bus booking. So you have to select the package, right click, new, JFrame form. You have to give the name as booking. Finish. Right. This one should be the booking. So here this is a blank one. We have designed the one. Right. So we have to write here is to. This is a ticket booking. This one. So here we have to go to the panel. We have to get the panel. That's one. This one. Drag here. This one we have to right click, properties, background color. Right. So drag the labels, ticket booking. Right. Select this one, right click, properties, font property. We have to change with bold. We have to change it as 24. Foreground color we have to change it as yellow. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to drag the panel here. Select this one, right click, border. We have to change this one, this soft bevel border. Okay. After we have to drag the labels, right? Customer name, sheet, mobile number and date. We have to drag this one. We have to drag label 1 to 4 labels. We have to drag. Right. Select them. Hold on the control key down and select all. Right click, properties, font property. We have to change this one with bold 12. So this one select. Edit text, customer name. This one, edit text, sheet number. Third one, mobile number. This one, date. Right. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to drag the text boxes. Sheet number, here we have, right, sheet number also you have to want another text box here, another text field. That here we have to reduce, we don't need the space, right. Right. After that, mobile number, we need a text box, text field. After that, we need another text field for the date. Right. This time we have to need the text field. Right. That's the thing we have to do. After that, we need to get one J table. This is important stuff. J table. Right. Right. Now what I am going to do is here select this one, J table. We have to add the columns, right? First right click, table contents, rows. We have to remove the default rows. Select and delete. Select and delete. After that, go to the columns. We have to add, first one should be the bus number. First one should be the bus number. Second one should be, I am going to add the sheets. This one should be the sheets. After that, status, customer name, insert again, insert the row again, we have to write mobile. Final, we have to insert another column. This one should be the date. Right, this is the fields we need in the J table. Right, these are the columns. Right, starting from bus number, end from date. Right, these are the columns. After that, you have to close it. Right, this is the thing we need. Right, now what I am going to do is, after that we have to do another things. We have to forget it. We have to little bit here. We need one. This one should be, we have to need one label. Right, label. This one should be the date. Right, based on the date we have to data should be displayed on the J table. Right, here select the date, right click, properties, font property, we have to change this one bold with 14, click OK. Right, here we have to drag the date chooser, this one we have to drag here. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Right, okay, that's the thing we have to do. Perfect. Now here we need one button. This one should be show. Right, perfect. That's the thing we have to do. Right, now let's select the form. Right click, properties. Here we have to go to the code, generate center. Right, that's the option. We have to link this page into here. So right click, event, action perform. Here we have the same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be booking. So this Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, that's it. Right, if you want to change the object, you have to change, you can change B. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine. It's working fine. Right, it's working fine. Let's close them. Now let's do the two stuff here. You have to put the two buttons. This one should be add. You have to put another one. This one should be a cancel. Right, right click, add button. This one should be cancel. Select this button, right click, properties, font property, we have to change this one as 40. Perfect. This one also 40. Perfect. Right, it should be the perfect one. Right, now let's change this one. Right click, select this text box, edit text, backspace, remove the accessories, select again, change variable txt cast name. Okay, second this one, edit text, backspace to remove, select again, txt sheet number, s number, select this one, edit text, right click, backspace, remove the excessive text, select again, txt m number, mobile number, this one, select this one, text, backspace to remove the excess, select again, txt date. Right, that's the thing we have to do. This one we have to change, this one txt d chooser, d chooser means date chooser. Right, this date chooser. Right, that's the thing. Right, now first what I am going to do is here, based on the date, select the date and click show button. Based on the date, data should be show here. Right, the first time customer name and mobile number should be empty. Right, after book the ticket, here the customer name and mobile number should be shown. Right, so how to do the task we will see. Right, first we have to select the show button, this one show button. So before that we have to go to the source. This is the class name books. After the class name we have a constructor. After the constructor we have to the same go to the sheet.java page, the same thing, connection, prepare statement. This is the location of the database, all the stuff. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here instead of writing again. After that, this connection object, Control C to copy, control V to paste after the initialization command, right? When the form is initialized, this method should close, right? Okay. After that, what I am going to do here, we have to when the user select the date, based on the date, the data should be displayed. So select the button, right click, event action performed. Here we have to write. Simply we have to write the code here. Very simple code we have to write. Here we have to write. Right. Simple. First we have to write the date. Right. Simple date format. Date format. Format. You have to write date df. You just write the object df. You have to write the same thing, new simple date format. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. We have to format the date here, right? Year, month, day. You have to namespace is important. Java text simple date format. This one you have to get it here. After that we have to write here string date equal this one df dot format df dot format t. This one should be the change variable. Same thing, Control C copy, source we have to paste it here, dot get date. After that you have to write pst equal con dot prepare statement, con dot prepare statement. You have to write here is the selected query, right? So how to write this selected query is we have to join these two tables together, right? This is the bus table, sheet table. We have two tables, bus book table and sheet table, right? So we have to join these two all together. So we have bus book table, we have joined these two tables, right? So based on the date, right? So how to join these two tables? You have to write select statement, select, simple as select statement. We have to write the select statement, select sheet. What is the table name? You have to write a sheet. Table name is sheet. Table name is sheet. Dot. We have a bus number. Right? It has a bus number. Here this is a bus number. Right? After that, comma. Sheet table as sheets. Right? Sheet table as sheet. Isn't it? Sheet table as sheets. Right? So you have to write sheets. Right? Comma. After that we have to write status. Sheet table as status. Booked, unbooked, everything available, right? We have to merge, right? Okay. After that comma, after that we have to merge book bus table. This one should table name bus book. The table name should be bus book table. Bus book, right? Bus book table as a customer and mobile, right? Bus book dot customer. We have to write the name properly without a spelling mistake. Or the bus book table as a mobile dot mobile, right? These are the columns available. Comma bus. After that sheet table as date. Sheet table as a date. We forgot that this sheet table. Sheet table as date, right? So we have to write here. Instead of here, we have to write here. Simply you have to identify sheet table, sheet dot date, sheet table as date, right? That's it, right? Sheet select sheet bus number, sheets, status, date. Okay, all the fields are available. So sheet build. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to join them. After that, we have to join them. So we have to write from you have to write sheet. You have to write left join. You have to write left join. You have to write like this. Simply you have to identify left join. left join bus. Which table you have joined? Left join you have to use bus table, bus book table. Okay. After that you have to write one keyword. That one you have to try simply this one, right? These two we have to get these three. What are the things available? Okay, these three things we are getting. Bus number, this table as these three things I am going to identify. Here. These are the foreign keys I am going to right. There are one or more foreign keys in another table. It's called as alternative key. Bus number here, this one, this table, bus book table, right? Bus number and sheet and date. This is called as alternative keys, right? So now let's back to our project. Here bus book one we have tried here. First one should be sheet table dot bus number equal to bus book table this one, bus book table bus number, same thing, right? Control C to copy dot this one, right? After that another one is and, you have to put the and operator, and second one should be sheet table sheets equal bus book table dot sheet, right? After that we have to do the another thing is and this one should be another and operator. We have to write another thing is bus book this one, sheet table dot date equal bus book table dot date. This is how we have to join, right? Finally where sheet table dot date equal question mark, right? Okay, this is the query we have to write. Simply you have to write this query, right? Very simple query you have to write. You have to call onto, we have to end the statement. Here we have to import the try and catch block, right? So here what I am going to do is here we have to get this one, this what is the date you are choosing, it is reside on this variable. Here I am going to put the prepare statement. Here we have to write, here is pst dot set string one date means this date, right? After that we have to write, here is we have to write we have to write another thing is, you have to go here above, you have to write here result set object, result set rs, very important, the package, so rs equal pst dot execute query, right? After that what I am going to do is, you have to write result set meta data rsd equal rs dot get metadata, right? After that you have to write int c, variable c, you have to write this one, import the package. After that int c, you have to write here c equal rsd object dot get column count. After that you have to write default table model d equal, you have to write here Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Here we have to write j table 1 get model, you have to import this package. Right. After that you have to write here is d dot set row count 0. Right. This is the thing you have to write. Finally, you have to write the while loop for while rs dot next. So we have to write here is you have to create the vector object vector v2 equal new vector. Right. Okay. Now here we have to write the for loop. You have to write the for loop. Right, here is a for loop. You have to write for loop. You have to import the vector package. Right. After that, write the for loop for. You have to write int I equal 1. Write I less than equal c I plus plus. Here we have to write here is v2 dot add rs dot get string. Here we have to write first one should be bus number. First one should be the bus number. Right. Okay, that's the first column, bus number. Right. Or same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste below. Second one should be sheets. Second one should be the sheets. This one should be, second one should be a sheet. Right, sheet. First one should be the bus number. Second one should be the sheets. Third one should be the status. You have to write the status. The third one should be the status display. Here fourth one should be the this one should be the customer details, mobile, finally date. Right. So after that customer. Okay, this one we have to put it at the last. After that customer, the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here customer. After that mobile, control C to copy, control V to paste here. At the last we have to put it this date, control C to copy, control V to paste here. That's the thing we have to write. This how we have to display the data, right? Finally we have to write here is we have to write simply d dot add row. We have to call the add row function, right? Here v2, we have to call it a v2, right? Then only it's right, perfect, right? Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right? This is the thing we have to write. Now let's check, right? Okay, now let's go here, clock, select the day. This is the day we have to add it. Show. What's the problem? Unknown column sheets status, right? The problem is unknown column sheet status mean here not sheets, this one sheet. The table name is sheets, not sheet, right? That's a problem, right? Now let's check again. Here it's here the data is displayed successfully. Here all tickets should be the particular day, 7 day, all should be unbooked, right? If you enter the customer details, it should be booked, right? That all the details will be discussed in my next tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, welcome to Tutusfunny channel. Today I am going to teach part 2 tutorial of bus booking system. In our last class we saw the if you select the particular day, we will be able to show the data here on the J table. In this class I am going to teach the rest of the part, right? Now after that what I am going to do is here select the J table, right click, event, mouse click here, right? Now here first what I am going to do is here we will be able to select the sheet, right? So we have to write a default model, right? Default table model, right? Default. You have to write about default table model right now, no, right? You have to write default table model. You have to create the object as d1 equal. You have to write here this one default table model. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You have to write here J table 1 dot get model, right. Okay. After that we have write here is you have write int selected index, selected we have write selected, create the variable selected j table1 dot get selected row, right. Now here you have write if status, if the status is not book, right, if the status is not book, status means this status is not book, right, if status, right, if status, you have write here is status, you have write here, you have to get the status, you have write string status equal g1 d1 this one dot get value at, you have write get value at the selected, control C to copy, control V to paste here, selected, this one should be the selected means 0 1 2 position, second position dot to string, right. The string status, control C to copy, control V to paste here, dot equals, you have write here is booked, status is not book, you show here as string sheet equal d1 dot get value at the selected, control C to copy, control V to paste here, 1 dot to string, okay. Sheet mean this one 0, the j table starting position should be 0 1 2 3 4 5, this one should be first position. After the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, after the date should be position of 0 1 2 3 4 5, fifth position, right. After that we have to set it the relevant text field, so txt sheet dot sheet, this one, what's the name, this one we have to give txt s number, sheet number, so control C to copy this one, you have to paste it here, sheet number dot setx, you have to pass it this sheet, control C to copy, control V to paste it. After the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one should be the date txt date, you have to write the date, this date, control C to copy, control V to paste here, right, this date, right, this date, right. If you click here, I'll show you what I did. If I select this one, click show, if I'm going to book the ticket, click on this one, if you click here, relevant sheet number and this one should be here, show here. Now here what I'm going to be, I'm going to enter the customer name and mobile phone, click add button, record should be added into the database, at the same time the status should be booked, right. So how to do the task, right, how to do the task, right. Now here after that what I'm going to do is here, right, go to the source, right, if the status is not booked we will be able to book, if it is booked we have to pass the message j option pan dot show message dialog, this we have write here is ticket booked, ticket booked, right, perfect, right. Now what I'm going to do is here, after that we'll add the data, right. So click on this add button, event action perform, here I'm going to add the data, right. First what I'm going to, we have to add the customer name, so you have to write instead of here write this string customer name equal, what is the name of this field, txt customer name, same thing, control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Dot get text. Get text. Same thing here. Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. Second one should be sheet. Second one should be the sheet. This one sheet number. This one txt s number. After that, the third one should be mobile number. You have to mobile number txt m number. So you have to write txt m number. Txt m number. You have to write text txt m number. M number. After that, you have to write this one date. Date txt date. Now here what I am going to do is here, after that the same thing you have to adding at the same, we have to add another additional one here, that is a bus number we need to add here. This number should be added, so we have to the same thing, we have to the same default table model, Control C to copy, sorry, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here as well. Here we have to get this one string status, this one same thing you have to get it here. This one should be bus number should be 0 position, so you have to write this 0. This one should be the bus number. Right. Okay. Now we have to insert the record into the database, right? So this is the table we have. This is a table we have. Bus ID, this one should be the auto increment, bus number, sheet, customer, mobile, date, right? All the data should be here, right? We have to insert the record into the database. So we have to write, we simply go to the sheet.java. We already write the insert code here. This is the insert code we have wrote. Same insert code I am going to copy instead of writing again by again, right? So you have to Control C copy this insert code. You have to paste it here, right? Simple, right? You have to, without wasting the time, simply you have to write this one. You have to import the try catch block here, right? Okay. Now here what I am going to insert into which table I am going to insert the record, bus book table. So you have to write bus book, simply write bus book. What are the columns there? You have to specify the columns, right? So you have to, what are the columns there? You have to specify the columns here. Simply you have to get the columns, right? First one should be the bus number, sheet. After that, customer, mobile, comma, date. So here 1 2 3 4 5 fields. Here we have to write another fields 5, right? Now here we have to set the relevant fields there, right? So we have to write, first one should be the bus number there. This one should be, you have to write as bus number should be the right string type. So bus number. Second one should be the sheet. Sorry, second one should be the sheet. Here you have to sheet. Sheet means this one. You have to string. This one should string. Control C copy. Control C copy. Same thing you have to. This sheet, not sheets. Sheet here. Sheet. Right. This one should be a string. So we have to set string. If it is an integer, you have to set as set integer. So same thing. Control C copy. Control C paste here. Now here we have to write another thing is here. Third one should be. Here third one should be customer, class name, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Fourth one should be mobile. Fourth one should be the mobile. So here the M number, mobile number, this one. After that, fifth one should be date. So the date, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, sorry, Control C to copy, date. This one should be date. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. Finally, we are called pst dot execute update. Record is insert into the data. You have to call this one. Right? That's the thing you have to do. Right? At the same time, we have to update the status in the once you book the ticket. Once you book the ticket, what happens is the status should be updated. It defaultly come as unbooked. Once you book the ticket, the unbooked change as booked, right? So what to do is here you have to update, you have to do the update query as well. So here I am going to write another prepare statement. So object control C to copy, control V to paste here 1. This one should be this time 1, right? So here go here, simply you have to write the same query, control C to copy. This one should be the prepare statement 1. At this time you have to update the query. So we have to write simply, you have to write update. Which table you are going to update? Sheet table, sheet, so table set status equal question mark where sheet, where sheets, sheet, where sheet, sheet table sheets, where sheets equal question mark, right? Now here we have to pass the prepare statement, right? PST1, this time this is a prepare statement, this one 1 dot set string one. So we have to go to the status. We have to status, we have to give as here as simply you have to write here is booked. You have to write here booked, change it as booked. You have to simply write here booked. ID, sheet ID, you have to control C to copy, control V to paste this sheet. What is the sheet? You are coming here on this text box. So this sheet, control C to copy, control V to paste here, sheet variable. That's the thing you have to do, right? After that, what I am going to do is here pst dot 1 dot execute update, right? That's the thing we have to write. Here we have to write j option pan dot show message. You have to write this. Here we have to write bus booked, bus booked. Right. After booked, we have to load the table again. So the table load method we have to call again. Right, the problem is here there will be known method here. Show what I am going to do is here the same table I have wrote this query in here, okay, inside this button. The same code I am going to cut, control X to cut. Here we have to put it the outside. Here we have to write create as a public void. You have to write here is book load. You just create as load. Okay, here you have to control V to paste here, because the problem is we use here this code, control C to copy. Now here show button we have to paste it, right? The same code I just copy and paste inside the function. I have created just a public function load. Inside the function this paste it, because if I create separate function we can reuse. If you wrote inside this button we can't reuse, okay? So that I have to reuse this function. So control C to copy this same load function here. Once the ticket is booked, we have to reload the table, so that we have to get here, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. So I am going to book this ticket. Click on this one. Here John mobile number, something like that. This is a date. Click add button. Bus book. Click OK. Here it's booked successfully, right? It's booked successfully, right? If you click again, ticket booked. Okay, it's booked successfully. Once you book the ticket, the field need to be clear. So how to clear? Simply you have to write this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Set text clear. Second one should be this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Set text. Third one, this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Dot set text clear. The third one, this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. The third one, set text clear. Right. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. Right, perfect. Right, this is the thing we have to clear. Once you book the ticket, it should be clear, right? After that we have to write this cancel code as well. Event action perform. We have to write here is set this dot set visible false, right? You can check here. It's book. If you click on this one, here write Peter, mobile number, click add button, bus book, right? Here it's added. Your third one, here added something like that, Raja, something like that, click add, here it's book, right? Perfect, right? Here these are the unbooked ticket, these are the book ticket, right? Very perfect, it's working perfectly, right? If you want to book the another day, December 8, for sure there will be no sheet. I am going to add it, cancel it. I am going to add the sheets for that date 8, click add, sheet added. Now let's cancel it, go here the bus booking, so here go to the date 8, show here, perfect, it's working for this date, no sheets book here, right? If you book these first two tickets, click on this one, someone, I just give as name as ABC, mobile number something like that, click add, it's booked, right? Perfect, right? Click on this one, we just BBC like this, some name, customer name, phone number, I am going to enter something like that, click add one, it's booked, this two ticket, right? Okay, perfect, right? It's working perfect, right? Here it's working perfect. I hope you guys understood the ticket booking system, bus ticket booking system well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.